Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about Western Sydney Scholarship. So here, graduate research scholarship. We will talk who is eligible for that scholarship, how much will be the coverage of that scholarship, and what are the deadlines of that scholarship. Okay. So Western Sydney support higher degree research candidate with a range of scholarship opportunities. Scholarships are released periodically, and each type of scholarship has specific application dates, eligibility criteria, and conditions. So, it will be released, I think, about 4 times in each year. So you can visit that website and see the deadlines. Now, during that duration, the deadline is passed, but we can just take a look when you will be applying next time. Then you will have an idea how you can apply for that scholarship. So application opens for this is you can see that Western Sydney Scholarship release for Q1 2024 commencement. So this is for Q1 and application opens at 1st August 2023, received by 17th September 2023, and the outcome will come on 27th October 2023. Similarly, it will be like application received after 17th September. Okay, so it will be now this is for Q1, and for Q2 they will update the dates. You can visit the website to check the updated dates. I will check here how much will be the scholarship coverage and eligibility criteria. You can apply for PhD program, professional doctorate, and Masters of Philosophy. Who can apply? Domestic international international applicant that can be onshore in Australia at the scholarship. So if you receive the scholarship and you can get to the university on the commencement date, like when you will get the admission, and they will have some deadline, then if you can reach out at the university on that deadline, then you can apply for that scholarship. Scholarship includes, so this is the coverage of the scholarship, how much stipend. So scholarship includes stipend of 31,000 per year, and they will also cover the tuition fee. So this is a very good opportunity in Australia. You can study for PhD and for master's degree, and they will cover your tuition fee and also give you the stipend. And there are some question: are international student eligible for scholarship? Yes, so you can take a look at these question and answers. Do I need to identify a supervisor for the project before apply? Yes. To be considered for research scholarship, your application must include letter of support from the supervisor. So you need to have that letter of support from the supervisor. You need to first find the supervisor, and then you can apply for the scholarship. Can I submit additional document after? So you need to submit your application and all the documents before closing date. This is the coverage of the scholarship. If you have a family, then the scholarship will not provide any coverage for your family members. And here we will now see, you can take a look at these frequently asked question. Now I'll take you to how we can apply for that scholarship. So you will click here, submit a new online application. After you will click here, you can see that how to apply for research scholarship. Though they have stepwise process. Review the scholarship application period. So you need to first check the deadlines and then review the scholarship eligibility criteria. You can check whether you are eligible for the scholarship or not. So most of the international students are eligible for the scholarship, but you need to find a research supervisor. You can come here and find the research supervisor at Western Sydney University. After you find the supervisor, then you can request the letter of support from the potential supervisor. After you receive the letter of support, then you need to submit the application. Prepare your documents. These documents you need to have certified copies of your graduation and citizenship passport. So you need to have the graduation certificate and passport. You should have evidence of English language proficiency. So it's mandatory. You should have IELTS or TOEFL, and they have here provided the more detail if you visit there, like how much score you should have in IELTS and how much score you should have in TOEFL. This is very this is necessary if you want to apply for that scholarship. So I have checked there, like they have for IELTS they mentioned that you should have at least 7.0 and each band should have minimum 6.5. Letter of support and research proposal you should have, and they have mentioned like how you should write the research proposal. In these links, if you will visit, then you will know the more information about how to prepare the research proposal, which headlines you should include. See project title, proposed in your research proposal you should have project title, proposed supervisor, background of your research question which you are going to address, aim and objectives of your research proposal, and all these you need to include in your research proposal. And after that you need to submit application. First you need to submit an online application for admission here, and after you will submit that application, then you need to submit online application for research scholarship on that link. So after you will submit that scholarship, that application, then you need to wait for the application results. And if you have any question related to that scholarship, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care. Bye.